Hello guys, on this Rome tips. Today I show you how to publish Canva desync to Instagram, step by step. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me, and show you how to do it. Alright, open Canva and log in your profile and click on search and write or open your project. Search Instagram post, maybe post, and click on see all and click on all filters, scroll down and click on price free or pro, and click on free, click on apply. Alright, I'm search like it post and click on all filters and scroll down and then click on social media and click on Instagram post and click on apply. Alright, search like it post, this like it, and click on customize this template. Alright, and this change photo. Okay, and click on change text and ATK photo or video. Alright, and click on right corner share and click on download and to select type file. I'm select MP4 video, change quality, this pro Canva, and click on download. I'm waiting. Alright, video is download and click on and check video. Alright, and cancel and open Instagram. Okay. Alright, and click on left corner create and post live video or add. Alright, click on post. Select from computer, click on and click on download and select your post and click on open and select the size. Alright, original. Click on original, change position, alright, and collage and more photos or videos and click on next. Cover photo, select from computer, click on open, alright, or change this. Trim video and sound off, turn on. Alright, and select and click on next. Tag people and write description, add location, New York, add collaboration, share to, and threads, public, yes, no. Alright, and click on share. And that's all.